Students, next we discuss about the topic is beats. Okay, this is for new topic beats. What are beats for sound systems? It is must and should in music instruments. Okay, so all music instruments are gives beats. Okay, we have to listen very different music, that is fight composition music and song musics and sentiment music. They are different. How do they produce their laboratory? Okay, so simply said they are called beats. So these beats are produced by two nearly same frequency of sound waves. Okay, so two sound waves having nearly same frequency, or they get superimposed, that is they are traveling in same direction, and get superimposed, that is combined with each other. Then due to this a new wave will be formed. This new wave is nothing but resultant wave. This resultant wave consists of maximum and minimum intensity of sound. It is also called waxing and waning intensity of sound will be formed. Okay, so how they are produced and what is their resultant equation, that is resultant wave equation discussed in this session. Next session we discussed their frequency value. So what are beats and what are beats frequency? So generally beats, it says that two sound notes having same frequency. This is one sound note, and the second sound note will be move with the same frequency, with nearly same frequency and nearly same amplitude and nearly same position. Okay, and they are moving in same direction. Okay students, now both will get superimposed with each other, that is they are combined with each other. Then what happen? Then the maximum and minimum intensity of sound will be produced in the waves. So this wave is called beats. This wave is called beat. Okay, so this position is called maximum position, and this position is called minimum position. Is simply said maximum intensity of sound, minimum intensity of sound. Maximum means waxing, maximum intensity of sound is called waxing, and minimum intensity of sound is called waning. Okay students, so beats are produced by nearly same frequency waves. Okay, so there are two waves having nearly same frequency and get superimposed, then to form a maximum and minimum intensity of sound. So this maximum and minimum, one maximum one minimum intensity of sound wave will called beats, is called beats. One beat equal to one maximum and one minimum. Our heart is also move front to back, that is lub dub lub dub. So lub maximum, dub minimum, so one beat. Okay, one oscillation similarly. Okay, so this beats of frequency we will find. So this beat frequency formula is beats frequency delta n, or simply said, or n is equal to n2 negation n1. Negation symbol means any one maximum, will be subtract to another one. That is, we have to write this one or n2 minus n1 or n1 minus n2. So these beats are produced is greater than 10, we can never hear. Okay. So above 10 beats per second produced in a sound note, we cannot be heard. Okay. We have to see different sound system. We have to see our cell phone ringtones and recording apps. Also we have to see this type of situation, this type of waves. So minimum sound intensity, minimum sound will be produced, then waves are decreased. Maximum sound will be produced, waves or amplitude will be increased. So these are called also beats. These are called also beats. So in our hospitals, heart patients functional waves machines, that is, they are called CRO, cathode ray oscilloscopes. Okay. So they shows waves, these are called also beats. Our heartbeat performance is like this one. Okay. So now the explanation for this one, explanation of beats. First of all, the first wave frequency is y1, that is displacement of the first wave. First wave is y1 and displacement of the second wave is y2. y1 equal to a sin omega 1t. Second wave displacement a into sin omega 2t. A amplitude, both are, we have to say both are nearly equal, but frequency, angular frequency omega 1 and omega 2, these are also nearly equal. Now we know that according to principle of superposition, we have to write y displacement of the given wave, that is this resultant wave displacement, y equal to a, we common a, that is y equal to, according to principle of superposition, we have to write y equal to y1 plus y2. Okay. In both of them a will be common, then we have to write sin omega 1t sin omega 2t, and this formula is sin a plus sin b. Now this will be written as 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. This is the formula. Now we have to write this one a, that is 2 sin a plus b by 2, that is omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. Okay, a plus b by 2. Next, cos a minus b by 2, that is cos a minus b by 2, that is omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. Okay, by 2 into t. Now we have to write y equal to this 2a, cos term will be move frontward, omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t, and also remaining sin omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. So this is the resultant wave equation y. So this y is represented same as it is this equation, that is y equal to a sin omega t. Similarly, y equal to this total term will be represented a, resultant amplitude gives resultant amplitude, remaining sin omega t. So where this 2a cos omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t gives resultant amplitude. AR means maximum or resultant amplitude. Okay. By using this formula, we have to find maximum and minimum intensity of sound note frequency. That is simple. n equal to n2 minus n1, or we'll get n1 minus n2. Okay, this is shows next video.